In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Whop. If you have funds available in your Whop account and you're ready to move them out, the process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can complete the withdrawal smoothly. To begin, open Whop and go to the home page. This is the main dashboard where you can see your account activity and navigate to different parts of the platform. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log into your account first so you can access your balances and finance settings. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right area of the screen. Here you should see your balance section. Depending on your account and current funds, this may display as $0 or show all balances. Click on that balance area to continue. This opens the section where Whop keeps your financial information, including the funds that are available in your account. After that, you'll be taken to the finance area. This is where you can review your balance and manage payouts. On this page, look for the withdraw button and click it. That's the action that starts the withdrawal process. At this stage, Whop will guide you through the remaining payout flow based on the payment details already connected to your account. It's a good idea to quickly confirm that your withdrawal method is set up correctly before submitting anything, especially if this is your first time cashing out. Also, make sure the amount you expect to withdraw is actually available in your balance, since pending funds may not be ready yet. If the withdraw button is visible, that usually means you're in the right place and can proceed. If you don't see it right away, double check that you click the balance section from the top right corner of the home page and that you're viewing the finance section. And that's all it takes to withdraw money from Whop. Go to the home page, click your balance in the top right corner, then click withdraw. It's a short process, but knowing exactly where these options are can save you time and make the payout process much easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find the withdrawal option inside Whop.